Okay, hi people. Today I wanted to show to you how to get rid of Windows 11 additional menu because it could be useful for you to speed things up because new menu actually will not need it. There's separate advanced tool which is open source. It's called ExplorerPatcher. What this tool does, it allows you to enable or disable unnecessary or necessary modules inside of Windows 11. I would like to show to you. It is free and open source. Maybe I will. What is this? I just wanted to go to the main web page because this is vital to show to you main page. Oh, I forgotten to mention something important. It should tell you free and open source. And no shareware or no serial version. This is like Krita and Blender and open tools, but this tool modifies Windows 11. So I will show you how to get rid of Windows 11 context menu. So we have taskbar, we have File Explorer. When you click that box, you have like a flag for positive. You can see this, and we will have to restart File Explorer. And after applying this, because you can modify and you can do lots of different things within Windows 11. Now we disabled Windows 11 context menu, so you don't have to click double times to have access to context menu after applying that option. We can do the same with other vital things. Windows switcher, for example, we have Windows 10 switcher. But anytime you have to restart. Now Alt and Tab, and we have Windows 11 switcher. I wonder what would happen if I switch to Windows NT. I'm very curious about that. I think this relates to Windows Vista, I guess. Vista was really good operating system. Actually, it doesn't contain Vista switcher. I wish I could run all modern programs inside of Windows Vista. System tray. File Explorer. What is this? Disable navigation bar? I think this is to do probably what if I disable modern search bar? I'm very interested in what would happen. Oh, this is quite interesting. I will have to... Sorry, it requires restarting Windows all the time. Are there? What would happen if I use this option? Oh, we have got effects like on Windows 10, but actually I wouldn't disable this because I still like using it when it comes to Windows 11. There was also option related to start menu, so you can switch by default to Windows 11 look. Oh no, where is this? I can't remember what option I enabled. This taskbar. Oh, taskbar. This is to go. It was a bit confusing for me at first because taskbar is nothing to do with start menu. Okay, but because I'm using a different program for start menu, open shell menu settings. I'm using open shell. You can still quit that application, so we can use the Windows 11 menu. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. I'm just testing this program because I used it last year. Oh. Oh, you can have start menu inside of Windows 11. Menu start, which is to do with Windows 10. As far I know, I use the sound settings related to Windows 11. I don't know if I should enable this. I cannot really activate this option. Hmm? What is this? What would happen if I use this? I just have to check if everything is working okay. Just the icons. Okay, let's get back to personalize themes. We also have field. I just have to check. This is quite interesting. I would like to show to you this. So we have a running console. I don't know if I should have this enabled or not. So you can see what happens inside of Windows. Oh, very strange. I wouldn't turn this on. I would like to turn this off again. Also it will also somewhere else some other things related to sound. Mm, where did I see this? Because you can enable sound in Windows 11. I have to check because I'm sure I saw somewhere else inside of this program options that you could turn sound on. For example, when I click, I cannot really find that option, but okay, getting back to this, you can also check ExplorerPatcher. Oh, it also works for Windows 10. View on GitHub. The internet connection would work much better. So nothing new, you can see some changes. The newest compilations. Okay, but it is great program. By accident, when I watched video YouTube, I found out about this precious application. The only thing I try to search is something which relates to enabling advanced option related to sound. Export current settings? Oh, I can export settings. It sounds good. Where's my hard drive? System tray? Give me a few seconds, because I'm searching for this option where I could turn sound on. I'm sure I saw options which relates. Oh, Oh, this is what I was searching for. Enable UI sounds in Explorer. Normally you can hear. And now we won't hear those sounds. I also was able to enable that option. Normally you cannot see this because it was disabled. But because of this program, we are able to see this. Sorry that I'm not doing this fast enough because I feel very tired today. I didn't sleep long enough. Mm, oh yes, I found it. Other, now we will check if you can still see classic system settings. No, you cannot see, but by enabling this, you are able to see all the version of Windows system about. Because of this tool, you are able to see your all the option about. So you can have quick access to device manager and to some other options. And I'm very happy because this tool is completely free. And I hope you like video tutorial about this application System Explorer. New version has been released. I just have to check. Oh, has been released not a long time ago. And I hope you like my video. See you people. Bye.